Look, we're going live, brother. Just don't play that right now, because we're gonna get flagged again. My man out here. What's up, guys? Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's G here. I got Trippy with me today. Say what's up to the people, Trippy.
Hey, good evening, everyone.
They missed you. They wanted you back for another one.
Who
Uh,
said that?
everybody, man.
Oh, hell yeah.
Shit,
Thank
they.
you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, we got. What do we got today for the? What do we got on the agenda today? We chilling tonight, huh? Pretty chill vibes. What happened with the market? Did you watch it? Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Today, I didn't really check the market today because I didn't have any plays
You know,
today.
GME ran up. End of hours. I actually was away from the market today too. I'm not caught up. I'm out of touch right now. But we're gonna do a recap, see what's going on. I know Powell's talking tomorrow, so how you feeling about the old man? Old man Powell speaking. You think he's gonna soften the blow for everybody? Or you think he's done sugarcoating?
Tomorrow he's gonna fuck everyone over.
You think so? I think he
Yeah.
might, honestly. But I'm just so paranoid. He always like blows up the spy market when the stock, whenever he talks, everything goes up. But I think that last speech he said about Volcker and everything is the beginning of the end, is the pivot, is the real pivot, where he's like, okay, he's realizing this shit's really fucked up. We also have some kind of data. Let me actually pull up the investing.com charts and stuff. By the way, if you guys are joining, make sure to put any tickers in the comments and we're going to take a look at them. I have a few on my list. We're going to go over those. Trippy, if you have any, you can definitely tell me. We'll chart those up as well. And then people in the audience, we got a little subscriber list for you guys so we can add those here. Subscriber picks. So let me delete these. These are from yesterday. My picks for this week or for tomorrow, I should have prepared myself, but basically still semiconductors, Netflix, Hood, Meta. I think I'm going to switch that up with Uber and Lucid. I think those could be interesting plays for tomorrow. Do you have any plays, Trippy, you want me to cover? And then subscribers, hit the like button
Let's
if you
see.
can, and then put them in the
Um,
comments. What's up?
let's see. Let me get my
Hey,
watch list. I'll
oh,
let you know.
I forgot GME too. GME's on my watch list too. Actually, they had earnings. Think it would be a good time to short? You think, or you think shorts are gonna cover?
I have BTAI on my watch.
Wait, what? BTAI?
BTAI.
Dang, I never heard of that. What is that? Is it a SPAC?
It's a therapeutic company.
Oh, is it for the MP? The monkeypox? Oh no.
I don't know.
You just got it on the list?
Yeah, I just saw it on my watch list.
Damn. Okay, we're gonna look at that one in a bit. Let's first take a look at what's going on tomorrow, actually. So, this is a pretty chill live stream. Nothing like, we're not on no time crunch. We're just chilling. What we find. Oh, oil and stuff was big today too, wasn't it? What were the talks about the oil? I think they had some talks today. What's today? Wednesday? Where's the oil shit? There was talks on oil, I thought. Here it is. It's not a metric. I guess nothing came out of it. Short-term energy outlook. So I've been out on the news and stuff, so I don't know what they said, but I guess oil will be hot tomorrow too, honestly. Did you find that beat you wanted? Trippy wants to do a freestyle. Hey,
Yeah,
we got, huh?
I got a beat. Yeah.
All right. Is it copyright free? Cause that shit flagged me last time. And somebody just hit the like button on us, man. I appreciate it. Probably one of
Oh,
my
yeah. Thank you.
regulars. Yeah. Yeah, thank you for the like. It's probably going out to you, Trippy. They love the freestyles. So let me look
Yep.
at Thursdays. Oh, we got jobless claims tomorrow. That's right. And we got Powell. He's talking at 9. That can be really good or very, very bad. Yeah, I think it might. Where are we at on the SPY, honestly? 397, 398. We can't close above it. Greg on the Discord was saying we're gonna go to 400. I mean, I could see that. Probably pre-market, we could. How are futures looking? Are they up or down? I could see pre-market. We try to retouch 400. That's really what. Didn't we do that on Friday or Monday? Yeah, we did that on Monday. We retouched the 400 pre-market and then straight sold off. I mean, that could be something we could see going into tomorrow. Where we come up to 400 and then during market open we start selling off. But Powell was speaking at 9:10. It's a really weird time, no? That man usually speaks later in the day. Let me look that. Is that my time, 9:10, or when is that? Let me pull that up. This is probably Eastern time. Fuck, what time is it now? 6, 7. What time is it now right now? I don't even
It's
know
8.
my 8:10. Is he talking at 8:10?
Oh yeah, your time is fucked.
Who's tired as fuck?
No, your time is fucked.
Yeah, my time is fucked. I think it's got to be 8:10. He's so 9:10 Eastern.
Wait, one second.
8:30 is the 7:30 jobless claim. So 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, so he's gonna talk before market opens. That's even crazier, honestly. And if it's anything like the last talk, like the last time he talked, where he started talking about Volcker, it's gonna be GG for the market. So maybe the futures are green tonight, and then we start flipping towards the open of market. Anyway, let's take a look at well, we kind of covered the SPY too already. If you guys have any tickers, definitely put them in the comments because I have a short list. I don't have too many stocks on watch. What's up, Ulitio? So, Powell's assist spoke today. Yeah, that second in command chick. What's her name? Is it Brainer? Today probably that's why we're a little green. Okay, I see you. Yeah, I think she was like being very optimism. Is it Barkin or was it Brainer? It's one of the vice chair. This is that chick. So surprisingly, I think that's 12:35. That's when the market started rallying, right? She's pumping it up for tomorrow. So tomorrow we can have that soften the blow. Trippy actually just straight up dipped. That man, he said he was gonna show up for the beat. Maybe he's looking for it.
All right, I'm back, guys.
What happened? You got disconnected? California or what?
Oh no, one of my shit is something.
California's got the heat waves, brother.
Yeah, they do. They're fucked right now.
Yeah, we covered that early, brother. Like way early.
Yeah, like in the
Like yesterday early.
early this year.
Huh?
We covered it like early this year, didn't we?
We did, but nobody believed us, so we stopped talking about it.
Damn. Fuck.
Damn. We're not out the bushes just yet. Look. Let's look at the futures, the SPY futures. This will be better for us. Still getting, yeah, same thing, honestly. Downtrend. This is the 1 hour 200 moving average, the green line. And we're going to slap on the resistance right there. So we're still underneath there. But I could definitely see us touching 400 pre-market and then Powell dumps it. That's how I'm leaning. I don't think we break down. Well, maybe Friday we break down. Yeah, we'll probably retouch the 380s by Friday. How you feeling? I do notice that people keep talking about this head and shoulders. What's up?
I bought like 20 SPY puts for 388.
You did?
And for 387. Yeah.
For what date?
This is earlier too. Oh, I know I didn't like market for the 19th.
August 19th?
Or, not the 19th, for the 9th, I mean.
For the 9th? 380 puts?
Yeah. No, 388, 387.
How much are those right now?
How much I got them for?
Yeah.
They, they were pretty cheap. Um,
Let me pull them up real quick.
I got like I got the 388s for like I don't know, like $50 or something.
A pop? How many did you pick up? Like 100 or something?
No, I grabbed like I forgot how many. I can let you know actually. Let me let you know, stream, because you know.
Yeah, you're like lagging, brother.
Oh, am I?
Yeah, you said you got the 388s. These right here?
Oh, yeah, we should be good. Hold up, I got here. I can let you know.
I got them pulled up. There's the 48 cents a pop.
Yeah.
They have
Oh shit.
huge. Yeah, they're
Yeah,
right
out
here.
400. September September 7, 400 calls.
September 7th? You mean September 9th?
Oh, ninth. I mean, yeah, weeklies. My bad.
You got a couple of those. That would be, how many points would that
I
be?
got 21 of those.
Damn. Who told you to buy
I don't
those?
know. Who knows if it's gonna pump, you know?
Who told you to buy those though? Just curious.
Me, I was just looking at the chart and I was like, huh, you know?
You need to come down about 2%, 2.5%. I don't know if that's likely by Friday. I mean, anything's likely, honestly. But have you seen it's like a slow stare down? Like this was like 2% in one day, but that was like hella weird. Like usually it's like a 1% move on the SPY lately. Like right here, this was like 150, and that's a big move, honestly. Usually it's like smaller moves like this, like less than a percent. Fuck, it is hot up here, bro. I'm gonna take my sweater off real quick. Give me a second. Let me pull up the chart that I'm gonna cover though. The first one that I want to talk about is GameStop. Yeah, you want to talk about GameStop? Drippy, let's pull up this
Yeah, let's go
stock.
for it.
All
I
right.
know all the DD off the top of my head too.
Yeah. They just reported earnings with wider loss, so that's bad. But they did get a partnership with FTX. So I don't know what you think about that. Let me take my sweater off.
I don't like FTX, guys. That is just me. I think earlier this year or in the summer, I believe, we saw how much how much of a scam a lot of these crypto exchanges are, you know? And those are just that's just my view on it, you know?
Yeah, yeah. I'm back. What's up? You said something about scams.
Yeah, that this summer we saw a lot of crypto exchanges getting exposed for just like being scams and shit.
Yeah, a lot of them went bankrupt too. And didn't these guys buy a piece of Robinhood also?
Yeah, like who knows what's gonna happen?
You think they go bankrupt? Celsius, Voyager, I think those two went bankrupt. Do you believe in the GameStop business model though? The NFTs, the game, the esports, everything that they.
Um,
I
you
think
know,
it's
if
cool.
I think it's possible for them to make something out of that.
Yeah.
But there's not too much hype around it at the moment, I believe, right?
Yeah, cuz crypto's dying right now. So everybody's stepping away from crypto right now. So I think it was like unfortunate for GameStop to start announcing all this stuff during like the crypto sell-off, you feel me? Like if they would have done that shit last year, the molasses would have happened. What do you think? It would have been a different
Um,
story. Because there was
yeah,
more
like,
money back then. There was like hella more money last year. I'm gonna be playing GameStop to the downside tomorrow, maybe. I mean, getting puts at this point is very risky. It's already sold off tremendously. Like, let's just be conservative and say 40% and lost 40% in like 2 weeks since August 17, August 18. It's lost about half of its value, half of its market cap on a pretty good, solid foundation movement. You know, the Althus apes or whatever you call them. So it
Yeah.
is kind of risky getting puts at this point. We actually talked about puts in one of our last streams. Well, I think it was still at $26 or $27. And we said it was good opportunity. I've also posted it on Twitter, I think Monday. And so this was a good play. I think at this point, it would be more interesting to play this to the upside. I think it is up like 10%.
Yeah, sure, exactly.
What's up?
I said yes, sir. You already know.
I think, do you think the movement is still there though? Or you think people have money to buy more shares, or you think they gotta buy their food first now? Like
I think
liquidity's money buying up, like it's
there
drying
will
up.
always be somebody buying shares.
Huh?
I think retail will always buy the dip.
You think so? What if they gotta eat though?
Um, nah.
Nah, fuck eating. They can just get the ramen. Feel me?
I'll ask.
Bro, they can just eat ramen short term and then get the lobster after the molasses.
Same. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's what you're doing right now. You're heating up the shrimp and noodles. Am I right?
Yep. This
You heat, huh? You're heating up
Asian.
the. My bad. Go ahead, dude. We keep bumping heads.
Yeah, man. Listen to me.
I got you. Go ahead. Speak your mind.
The Asian's gonna make it for me.
You think so? I thought she broke up with you.
I don't know. We're talking right now.
Y'all still talking, man? You friend zone already. Told you that.
I
Hey,
think
tell her if she can cook some good Asian food though, some ramen, cause you broke off the GameStop puts.
I'm about to eat full. Pho.
Pho, it's pho, pho or pho, or
Pho.
fuck. Yeah, that's Vietnamese though, I think. So we're gonna get calls for GameStop now, you think? I'm gonna see if it can hold 25. Right now, let me check what price it's at right now. Let's pull up the handy dandy Yahoo.
$40 calls. I would go YOLO all the way.
Where?
Oh yeah, yeah. If when GameStop pops, I think it'll run for like a good amount.
It's up to $27 right now, almost 27.
Yeah, that's still kind of low to be honest, don't you think?
Yeah, kinda. I mean, the high was $40. I would play it safe with the 30s, honestly. I think tomorrow it could run actually. Maybe there's more money going back into crypto. If it can hold above 28, that's the play right there. Start getting some calls for the upside. Because it did already break the trend. Like low key. Where's the autisms at? Wait, no, it didn't break the trend. It's still there. It got rejected at the trend. See the trend kinda? I'm gonna line it up. But fuck it. I'm gonna leave it there.
True.
True. I say maybe pull back. If it can pull back here above 25 and bounce, then maybe it's a go time. And then you can, yeah, start getting the calls. What's surprising to me though is I was looking at the flow for today for GameStop and it was like hella bearish. So I'm thinking maybe they short this thing tomorrow. What do you think? A.
Yeah, there I saw that too. There is no volume,
Mm-hmm.
but who knows? Out of nowhere, shorts are gonna start to cover.
There's like hella puts on GameStop right now. Hella
Damn.
puts. Hella
What do you,
puts. But it started running up after hours. That's what's crazy. I think this is a perfect opportunity to get puts. You're just going to get them at a discount now. Like, let it run up to 28, then get the puts, and then run it back down to 20, 24, 23.50.
you're gonna short GameStop?
I'm not going to short it. I'm going to get puts. Because after earnings, the premium gets crushed. So now we can start playing it without that IV crush.
Yes, yeah. The IV.
Mm-hmm.
What's the IV at right now, brother?
I got you, brother. 1 second. Hey, somebody hit the like button for me. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. GameStop. IV, let's look it up. You think Mojo's still in this? It's been a minute since I talked to Mojo. 16
Oh
he
no, fuck that guy.
he
Am
was
I
in
right?
space calls though, brother. He didn't sell. He was in space calls. He forgot to sell. I told him to sell and he laughed at me. 16 IV 16 is the IV crush on
Yeah,
average,
well,
bro.
also nobody expected the dilution, right?
For who?
Or didn't Virgin Galactics get diluted or something?
Yeah, you know what's crazy? That thing was trading at like $50 long ass time ago. People were trading this shit like back at $50. Let me clear this shit out. And it's now a $6 stock. I remember me and Mojo, we would be playing this. Look at this. we were we were playing options on this thing when it was like $40.
Damn, y'all were some savages.
Yeah, we didn't know better. And now it's like down here. But this is like a perfect double top, almost. Like double top up here. So you know the breakdown. Well, the breakdown is like right there, and that's GG'd after that. Damn. What you heating up though? Yeah, I don't.
I'm sad right now, but I'm gonna make a bacon sandwich.
Sheesh. Should we talk about GSAT? I heard that they got a partnership with Apple. Is that right?
Ooh, ooh, Jesus!
No, GSAT. GSAT. Oh, by the way, if you guys followed my stream last time, I talked about Asana. I didn't play this, but I told you guys it would probably be a good opportunity for calls. It's like at $22 now. Right now, it's actually trending. They beat earnings. This was an easy play, like, sheesh, 20% up. It was a pretty easy play. It was like near the bottoms. It was software. Is it software like management? They sell or they do like kind of like Workday and stuff, and people are not gonna cut their team shit, their work management platform. So yeah, it's basically a sticky business, kind of. So it was just so beat up. I was like, I talked about it a long ass time ago. On Monday, on Saturday, at some of the streams we were talking about. Yeah, I forgot to play this because I was busy today, so I didn't get on it. But y'all should have got it. And then yeah, I also took my L's. So don't think it's perfect. I took my L's. Let me pull this up for you guys. This is some of the stuff I covered. Calls
Where did
on
you?
that.
Oh,
Oh no, the puts on GitLab were good, and then calls. I took my L there. And then Iron Condor on that. GameStop puts. So I took L's, but this one was definitely one. What's up?
oh, which one did you take an L in?
Um, First one, UPath. I didn't play it, but I said I would have like theoretically taken L if I would have played it. I didn't play it because my dry powder it was still drying, brother. It wasn't completely ready to be used. All right, we gotta get to business because I got some things I gotta handle. Let's talk about Uber. You want to talk about Uber? How you feeling about Uber? Or actually, let's finish GameStop, my bad. Should we finish GameStop? I would look for an upside if it can break outside of $28, then maybe try to get back up to 30. But um,
Oh, I
I'm
think
I'm looking
might be a fake,
a fake
little
pump,
fake pump in the morning for sure.
fake pump on GameStop,
Oh yeah,
and then buy the puts.
yeah. You know what's crazy to me?
What?
That they're shorting the heck out of Ape.
Where is it at now?
I think like $4 or
It look
$5.
it looks like it's trying to break back out. Honestly, up 3% today.
Yeah, thank you, man.
It looks good. Honestly, it looks better than GameStop. Wouldn't you agree? What?
It's it looks better than GameStop.
Right now it does. Yeah, it's trying to make higher lows. It's trying to break out. If it can break like out of like 525, then it can go up almost to $6, I think. How you feeling? This one doesn't have options though, right? Ape doesn't have options. How does AMC look? Ape looks better than AMC. This thing is not even ready to go up yet. That's weird. I thought they were supposed to trade 1-to-1.
Yeah, something's going up. I'm thinking about making a lawsuit.
Swear.
I don't know if you want to join in on it.
Nah, I already took my L on AMC. I was like last year. I'm done playing AMC. I would play Ape though. It looks like it's a meme.
Yeah, shorts have to cover Ape soon, or like not soon, but like next year, I think.
Or they gotta pay the divvy or something.
Yep.
I don't think I'm bullish on GameStop, brother. We got a lot of bearish flow. It's still trying to get outside the 200 moving average. Maybe a fake pump up to 28 and then get the puts, brother. We're going to stick with puts on GameStop, I think. I think it's a blessing for us to get puts. Maybe you missed the first run down. Now we get the second opportunity, right? For the double bottom, basically. So maybe the double bottom here, take your profits there, then it can go back up. And that would be a change in trend for GameStop. And then you can start going long on this, right? Breakout. And then go back up to 40. I think maybe that's what I'll do. That's just an idea though, brother. Let me pull up. So GameStop, I would say puts. I don't really know what's going on with oil, but I kind of want to take a look at it. Let's look at oil real quick. US oil. Dang, this thing is falling, brother. It's crazy. What happened to oil? Oh, that's it. Got some more room to go, I think. 80. It's gonna come down to $80 a barrel. At least. That's crazy.
I think it's going to negative.
Negative? Again? Oh, I remember. I heard China locked down again. Or more aggressive like today.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we've talked about it.
Yeah, I showed them the video. Let me look at the futes on oil. Oil's up right now. That's what it says. The SPY is down a little bit right now. Yeah, US oil is down to $82. That's crazy. Crude oil. Let me look at BNO. BNO? Did you find that beat that you wanted? Bruh, this is it.
I did, yeah. Why?
Everything's collapsing. All the oil's collapsing.
Good, good, good.
You see what I'm seeing here, brother? It looks kind of like a head and shoulders, doesn't it?
Ooh, head and shoulders.
You see it?
Uh-huh.
Damn, brother. It might
It's
be
about
over.
to go back down to what, 18, 20?
Like 22? Yeah. I mean, it's not going to be a
Break
straight
two
shot down, but
here first, folks.
yeah. Yeah, you heard it here first. Oil's about to tank. You know, that makes sense too, because so many people are bullish on oil right now. Market makers going to want to flip that. You know what I'm saying? Temporarily. I would say at this point, $25 on the Brent oil. Because they just stimulate up the economy over there? Yeah, I see definitely $22 probably. So the downside for this is basically here. Let's see where the neckline would be like right here. Just copy that bad boy. Put a line right here. Over. Yeah, down here. Look, you see that? About $22 a barrel on oil. It's over, brother. So
I'll try to tell
let's.
you, oil is going negative.
What about natural gas? Are you bullish on natural gas?
Natural gas. Let's look at UMG.
UNG?
All right,
It's
guys. What is
bearish
this?
too.
Yeah,
Wow.
damn.
It's at support though. It's at critical support right
That's
now.
support, but it looks like it's gonna break. I think it'll break when Powell speaks. Honestly,
You think
and then
so?
we'll probably do a gap fill, right?
Where's the gap fill? This gap here or this one down here?
Um, the other one could be possible first before the one down at 18-ish, $18.
Yeah. I don't know if that's a gap though. Is this a gap? It's like barely a gap. You know what I'm seeing on natural gas? I'm seeing the start of a head and shoulders. So maybe we're bullish on natural gas. And then we do this. And then we fill the gap down here. So I'm gonna be bullish on natural gas. I'm gonna get natural gas calls tomorrow or Friday. If it comes down to 26 right here, I think it's time to get the calls and then ride it back up. People are gonna think it's gonna break new highs like up here, but it's probably not. It's just gonna retouch like $30. And then you have the beautiful head and shoulders right here. Yes, sir. Hey, good looking out, Trippy.
I got you.
Do you see the head and shoulders here or no?
What stock is that? Oh, UMG.
UNG.
It
So
looks like it's in the final steps of making it. Yeah.
yeah. And the reason I say that is because winter's coming for Europe. Am I right? Let's look at
Yeah.
some options on
For everything.
for everybody. So people got to start paying up. Dang, that's gonna be nice. UNG is gonna be a nice play. Let me look at their options. See how much they're charging. I would look for end of September, you think? Calls? They're like $1.50. Let's look at the options chain for UNG. What timeline you looking for natural gas? What timeline?
Next year.
There's a lot of volume on these October 21s. There's $33 right here, the 3,000 on the 33s. There's 30. I mean, you think we get one more pump on the natural gas and oil, or you think it's all over for everybody?
Let me see. Let me look at my head.
I'm gonna add the 35s, the October 21st 35s.
Oh no, over.
Is it? Bro, the 35s are only $1. The 35s or maybe the 30s. I think the 30s would be nice too. They're $2. These might be the play, honestly. I know they're bearish, but let's take a look at when they started going up. And pretty consistent. People started loading these up back in July. And they got more at mid-July.
What do we think, chat? Let me know, chat. Let us know.
Yeah, let us know, chat. Nobody's in the chat, though. It's dead right now. It's alright. I mean, the real one's gonna be here, you know? They're gonna get the free game. So beginning of July, people started loading up on those. Damn. We're just getting ahead of the game right now. So regardless, I think we have a head and shoulders, or we could even do a cup and handle, which would still see us one more upside. I'm gonna get the calls on UNG, but I'm thinking October's like hella far out. The ones that have the most volume are the 23rds and the October. Um, I might get these right here, a few weeks out. There's hella volume on these 29s. They're a buck. These might move. I'm gonna add these. So right now I'm just adding a few different ones to my Robinhood watch list. So the 23rds, $30. These are kind of risky. They're only 79 cents though. That's crazy. Oh wait, it's the 29.50s, wrong ones. Okay, they're 90 cents. I'm gonna see how these carry over tomorrow. And then what else? What else?
Yes. Good job, brother.
Yeah, these 29.50s, add them to your watch list, Trippy. We're gonna make hella bread.
Shit, are we? Let me screenshot.
Yeah, screenshot.
How much bread if I put in like 1K?
Just keep it small. Just keep it small. You gotta keep the
So
place
you
small.
cut losses?
So you can cut losses, yeah. I don't think this one's gonna have any losses though. It's hella bullish. Let's look at the flow. Shall we? Bro, it smells like ass in my room. I gotta clean this bitch. 5,000?
Yeah.
There's 48K, brother, going into these calls. Just one single order. $500 size. Yep, we're gonna get UNG. Remind me to get UNG stuff. Yep. Okay. So glad we took a look at that. UNG calls. I like that. How you feeling about Netflix, Lucid, or semiconductors? What do you want to talk about?
Well, to be honest, what are we looking at first? Netflix?
Netflix.
Bearish. How about you?
Yeah, bearish. You want to take a break and do a freestyle?
Yeah, let's do it.
We need a beat though.
Oh, I got the beat.
All right.
Should I play it?
Yep.
Let's take a commercial break.
All right, bet. A whole commercial break?
A
Like
30
what you
second.
mean? All right, take the commercial break. I'm gonna keep charting this shit up for the people. So initially I was looking at a head and shoulders here. Is still a possibility. We're still under the trend. So I'm still bearish. This is just a really good opportunity, I think, for some puts. Still in the downtrend. We didn't break out of this trend here. Still under the 200 moving average. But we're chilling. I think we're chilling. They're right there. The 230. I would look for some puts at 230. If it can touch 230, I would look for some puts there. There. Because we got a head, a shoulder, a head, and some weird shoulder there. And unless it breaks out of this trend, then I think we're still bearish. Let me look at the flow on this shit though. A lot of volume on these 916s, 49K in volume. See what's going on to the downside. Oof, not much premium to the downside. $1,200, a lot of open interest on these 25s. Those are already in the money. To the upside, not that much, only a little bit to the 30s. lots of open interest on these 25, so they might want to get these. We'll probably end up closing around 25 this week, I think. Yes, I think so. The 200s have 2300. We might need to look at the overview. Oh, look at this cope drop. This is nice for the puts. Yeah, we need that. We gotta stay bearish on Netflix, I think. We're gonna look at the hot chains real quick. Alright, let me look real quick. Oh, we got this new exclude deep in the money, or deep in the money. Appreciate you, Albert, for getting that implemented. Date to expiration, we're gonna do 35. All right, and let's take a look at. He changed my life. We're gonna get the spammers coming in. We got spammers in the chat right now. Reported. Ooh, uncommercial content spam. Blocked. Somebody said we changed their life. You know that's a lie.
Hey, thank you, man. I know he's talking to me, man, not to you. I changed his life.
You think so?
I told him about the bunker, the what else? You know.
The AMC shares, which are at $8, which are at $8 now.
No, Goofy. I told him about the generator. Come on.
You did tell him about the generator. Bro, this is actually still a nice play. Netflix is still a nice play. Damn, brother. Are you telling them about generators and AMC shares, brother? And a bunker. These 220s is 217s for this week. Something's up. Hella volume on these with a low open interest. 217s. You think Powell's going to be bearish? Because a lot of people are positioning themselves right now. I really want the 916s. I'm going to exclude the weeklies because it's too much noise, honestly. Let's take off the weeklies. Take the 9s off. Look at the 16s. So it looks like there's more calls now. 900 versus 4. Let's look at the overall premium. 20s, 6,000 open interest, and they still haven't got paid. They haven't got paid on these yet. $1 million hasn't got paid. 700,000 on the 230s. Those are pretty much near the money now. So I wouldn't look at those that much, honestly. The 215s, the 220. I think the 220s might be nice. I'm gonna add the 220 Netflix ones. There are $4, so pretty good deal, honestly. Netflix 220 916s. What did we have for the other one? We didn't really find anything for GameStop, any actual puts. Oh, the UNGs. I know we got some good stuff on UNG. I got those added already. Netflix. We're gonna stay bearish on Netflix. Oh, puts. I think we're gonna stay bearish. I'm just a big bear on Netflix, I think. So is Trippy, so. Lucid, big bear on Lucid. It's already coming down to our target 3.
You're bearish on Lucid?
Hell yeah.
After shilling Lucid?
It was already gonna come down. We've been covering this since it was at 18.
Come on, what about Polestar? That shit dead too, huh?
That one's actually got fundamentals though. You feel me? I think Lucid's gonna come down.
Yeah, but Mullen is a real squeeze play.
You think so?
Hell yeah. That shit going to $40. Everybody buy it.
Fuck no, you shilling, brother. Oh, let me look at Rivian. Rivian's one that we've been kind of trying to keep our eyes on. This thing keeps going up. Fuck. That's insane. This thing's been on the sideways path for a while. You think Rivian's gonna come down? Let me update this list.
Oh yeah, that shit going down.
What about
When
Ford?
Kyle speaks, that shit dead.
Yup. Ford Company. Let's see where they're at. Dude, this is getting ready for the puts too, honestly.
Damn, is that how the whole market's set up right now? You think?
Yup. I'm bearish though.
Come here. Come.
Look at that. If it gets rejected here, we're coming back down to 1465. It's like a downward pennant. But I think we maybe get one more leg down. And then full breakdown down to $13, $14. I think we have a gap down here. Yup. I got this one on watch too. I just gotta learn to be patient. You feel me, brother? I gotta be patient. They act like they know us. They act like they love us, but ain't show love. They mad cause they broke, yeah. So we're bearish on Lucid. Lucid's gonna come down to 13. It can do this little retouch of 1520, but that's gonna get the opportunity for the puts. So we can touch down here. Micron and what's the other ones? Still bearish on Micron. I've already took profits on Micron. I took profits down here somewhere. It could still finish this bottom right here. Because the distance is right here. And is like 52. So I've already shown you guys that. So we're still bearish on those. Semiconductors weak. Uber is probably the nice play here. It's got a huge ass gap down here. It's been doing the cup and handle kind of thing. And it's getting ready for the breakdown. So it's at the top of this channel. It is on the upward channel. So that's kind of bullish, right? But we could get rejected here and come back down to 28. So bearish on Uber. Maybe we should look at some flow on these guys. Uber, how's it looking? How's Uber looking? Are you bullish on Uber, DoorDash, and stuff like that, or no? Shit.
Well, if I'm being honest, I think
The market's going to
Uber is
crash.
going to zero.
Oh yeah? Why is that?
But it looks pretty good right now, right?
Yeah, it's in the upward channel. I'm saying if it can like get outside of this resistance, then it can go back up to the. I mean, it's not much though. It's like there's not much meat left on this bone. I'm really just. I think this one might just be the waiting game. Wait for a touch of that because I really want this gap fill down here. Like how is this gonna be outperforming Amazon? Like Amazon did its gap fill. How is Uber not gonna do its gap fill? You feel me? I feel like Uber has to fill their gap before they keep going up. Yeah, see, they filled this one here. They came down, then they went back up and basically partially filled it. So I think it wanted to fill some of these gaps here. A lot of bullish flow on here though. Calls for the 9th. $30 calls. Damn, that's crazy. What time is it? Oh my goodness, it's almost yeah, it's getting late. It's getting late. So what's the plan for tomorrow, Trippy? Wait. Puts. Oh, we haven't talked about yours. Let's talk about yours. BTAI.
Yeah, thank you, brother.
What's this one? Therapeutics. How you feeling about this one?
Well, I think it's gonna run next week.
You think so?
Oh yeah.
Why is that?
Because I'll talk about the DD in another live stream.
Okay.
Because
Or
that would be too much free game.
you think so? So talk about it after it happens.
Yeah.
This doesn't look bad though. I mean, it's making lower highs, which is bad, but it's in a pennant, so it could break out. I just don't know what they're talking about here with commercial stage biopharmaceutical company, artificial intelligence. You just bullish on this just cuz?
How you feeling?
I mean, I don't really know the stock, so I don't know how to. They missed earnings. Oh, do they have earnings? Say zero. Maybe they're still taking an L on earnings. I would just watch the pattern. I can't believe out of all the stocks in the market, you pick BTAI.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. You even gonna trade it or are you just pumping it up?
I got some shares.
Or are
I'm
you
not
watching it
showing it like how you show post-star.
like I shill? You say shill or show?
Show.
I don't shill Polestar. What do you mean by shill?
You pump it.
How can I pump it when I get like 3 or 4 viewers on my channel? Come on, brother. And
What
if
do
I
you
was
think?
if I was pumping it, then don't you think it would be at like $15 by now?
Sure.
Or you know what I could be doing? I could be pumping it and I could be shorting it. Is that what you're saying? I could be the shorter. Nah, I think Polestar is just not a stock to trade. Like that's basically what I learned. So I still like to talk about it, still like to cover it when there's news, but it's not a day trading stock. It's just it's an investment. Are we investors or are we traders?
Um, I'm a long-term investor.
What's your biggest position right now?
My biggest position
It's Amy, right? AMC?
is Amy with almost 4,000 shares,
Yeah.
and GME is my second biggest.
You're basically rich and retired now. Gotta wait for the molasses.
That's the goal. When molasses hits, I'm chilling in my bunker.
You said you're gonna let me come to the bunker or no?
Yeah, you gotta pay me some silver.
I'm gonna be broke though. You gotta help out the family, brother. The bunker doesn't have electricity and stuff or no?
Hell yeah.
Man, you're lucky then. Let's just browse the unusual wealth flow. Let's see what we can find. You chilling, right? We're just hanging out. It's nothing official.
Yeah.
What are you
Everybody
doing?
smash the like button.
Yeah, nobody hits the like button for us.
Oh, we never did that freestyle, bro.
Well, you took a commercial break and you never came back.
Welcome back. We're back.
Back. You guys ready for the freestyle?
Mm-hmm.
We got
Are you gonna
hella flow. Huh?
Are you
Nah,
gonna join?
cause I got like a one line verse, and then you roast me.
It's because you suck.
Yeah,
I'm kidding. All right, let's play this shit.
play it. I've been waiting. You gonna send it to me, or you're gonna let me play it, or you're gonna play it? Let's look at.
I'll play it for you, brother. I'll play it for you. I'll play it for you.
I.
You know I don't fuck around with this shit. This shit is come on.
Vermilion energy puts on Vermilion.
Hey,
Are you or what? You going in or what?
hey, you got about I got my YouTube on. Hey, you want smoke? Then come up to me.
Bro, you breaking up.
We're about to buy the put and we're going down. Hey, yeah. Hey, watch out for Paul. Oh.
You keep breaking up, brother. Y'all seen that? He just dipped like that. Come on, brother. Caesar Sportsbook. $45 calls at 81.32K. Uber $30 calls. Nothing really interesting. We got Nike. Okay, so Nike puts, Nike calls, here spreads. Let me see what they're talking about. So they sold 108s, bought 110s. That's bearish, and then they bought 104s. Open interest on these is decent. Nike, people bearish on Nike. Let me see Nike real quick. Ah, it looks bullish. I don't know why people would buy puts right now. Maybe they're getting rid of their puts. I think one of my buddies said he was getting calls on this actually. Yeah, it looks good. I think this looks good. This looks bullish for me personally. 108. I don't think it comes lower. I would get calls on that Nike, honestly. Let me look at some of the other stuff on Nike real quick. Nike's got most of the premium on these 105s, but everything else is on calls, the 112s and the 117s. Yeah, I would definitely be looking at calls for Nike actually. Let me look at the analyst tab on this too, actually. Oh, big ass cope drop. That's not good. Let me look. Break this down. No, I like Nike. There's more call coming in. There's more calls, yeah. Pretty much break even right now. And then we got interesting. You don't need me like I don't think people really like the late night streams. It's like hella awkward time. Yeah. Nike? I don't know. Okay, so most of them came in bearish puts, the 105s and then the 104s. I don't want to believe it. I want to say this is bullish. Let me see. Let me look at the bigger picture here. We got a nice support here. Yeah, no, this is good. This is bullish, I think. I'm going to stick bullish with Nike. So I think that's the last play I'm going to cover. So Nike. Bullish. Not exactly sure if it's ready yet. But if I was to pick stuff, I'd probably go with the UNG first. Netflix puts look nice, and then GME puts. I think those are my top 3 plays. So let me move this out of the way. Shit. Oh yeah, Uber might be an interesting one. I'm gonna move that one down here. So Netflix, GME, let me get this down too, actually. Oh fuck, but maybe. So Netflix, GME puts, UNG calls. I like that. Nike might be bullish. It's making the newer lows here, the higher lows. Then kind of still bearish on semis. They've been beat down. They've been consolidating for a while, so we don't really want to follow them that much. Uber will be interesting because of that gap fill, and then these are high growth that need to get punished. I think that's all I have. I think what's tomorrow? What are we expecting for tomorrow? This is the SPY. Still technically in a downtrend. How's the Futes looking? Let me look at the Futes. Futes are struggling right now. What is this? Oh, this is what I had marked out. Okay. Futes are struggling, getting above that. I think we can still break out to the 400s, and then during Powell, then that's when we kind of break down. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up because I'm tired. I had a long day, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Peace.